In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this together step by step so you feel confident editing your email layout without breaking anything else in your campaign. First, you'll want to open the specific campaign you're working on. Log into your Mailchimp account as you normally would, then head over to the campaign section from the main dashboard. This is where all your existing campaigns are listed. Find the campaign whose header you want to remove and click to open it. Make sure you're editing the correct one so you don't accidentally change another email that's already set up. Once your campaign is open, look for the content section. This is where Mailchimp lets you control what the email actually looks like. Click on Edit Design. This will take you into the email builder, where you can see a live preview of your email and all the content blocks that make it up. Now focus on the top part of your email. This is where the header usually lives. The header is often a logo, an image, or some text that appears at the very top of your message. Scroll to the top of the email design and locate that header section. If you're using a template, it may be clearly marked as a header block, or it might just look like the first content block in the layout. Next, it's time to remove that header content. Move your mouse over the header area and you should see some editing options appear. Look for the trash can icon. Clicking this will delete that specific block from the email. If your header is made up of an image or logo, use the trash can to remove the image block. If it's text, click inside the text box, select the text and delete it. You can clear out all the content in that block so it no longer appears in the final email. After you've removed the header, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save and Close or Save and Exit button in the builder. Click that to confirm the update to your design. Before you send the campaign, it's a good idea to use the preview feature or send a test email to yourself to make sure the header is gone and the rest of your layout still looks clean and professional.